How to sell when you have a fear of selling. Selling is pretty important in business. If we're not making sales, we basically are going to go broke. However, if you really hate selling, it's likely that your idea of sales is like some greasy, slimy, dodgy, manipulative, bad guy sales dealer who's aggressive and bullies people into buying stuff purely for his own gain. Yeah, of course nobody wants to be that guy, right? None of us want to be going out onto the internet, out into the world and trying to force people to buy stuff from us and doing it in a gimmicky, yucky, salesy way. But the great news is for course creators, coaches, consultants, online business owners, that is actually not what good selling is. Successfully selling your online courses, coaching programs, memberships, all simply come down to just being helpful. And that's great news because most course creators, coaches, consultants, infopreneurs, edupreneurs are the people who are putting content together because they love helping people. They love to serve people. Your number one goal is to become the most helpful person in your industry if you want to sell lots of courses. I have well over 160,000 students in my online courses from 181 countries and have made millions of dollars in sales over the years. And I have done that by spending very tiny amount on paid advertising. Pretty much all of those students, well over 90% of them, have come from me just being helpful, and you can do the same. All you have to do is share tasters, tips, helpful information, answer questions on your topic in your area of expertise, answering the questions that your industry have right now. And believe me, you will not only build up an audience at the time that you're doing this, you are also going to be creating highly discoverable, search engine optimized content that is going to help you continue to be discovered for the rest of time. This is how amazing organic marketing can be. Instead of just having short-term stuff out there temporarily, you are creating a whole entire spider's web behind the scenes of content that's going to help you get found on the interweb. So I always say to people who are struggling with sales, see the sales and transaction process as an opportunity for you to serve and help people, answer their questions. Make your goal to be the most helpful person in your industry. No, you will not cannibalize your business and your paid products and services by sharing your knowledge and information with the world. You will not reduce the amount of people who buy from you by sharing your answers to questions. You are going to do the complete and utter opposite. By being the most helpful person in your field, you will attract a bigger audience. You will become top of mind in that topic. You will become the person that people tag, recommend, or suggest as the expert in that field. You will create a sense of reciprocity where people feel like because you've been so helpful to them over weeks, months, years, that people will send other people your way or will find ways to help you back. So please just remember, sales is not requiring greasy hairstyles and dodgy suits. I've done pretty well using that technique of just being helpful. I don't get on sales calls, strategy calls, discovery calls. I don't have any gimmicky scripts that we follow. I just see what questions people ask and I answer them as best I can, and it's done pretty well in building out my business, selling my programs, courses and products, and building trust and reputation with my audience. And I truly believe that it will do the exact same for anyone else using this strategy too. So go out there and be helpful, share your tips, share your knowledge, share your expertise freely, and believe me, what you give, you get. It will come back to you.